Hey Becca, what are we learning today?
Today, we are going to find the equation of a line given 2 points. If you are given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, on a coordinate plane, you can find the equation of the line connecting those 2 points. The point-slope form of a line is denoted y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, where m is the slope, and the equation of a slope is the difference of the y's, y2 minus y1, over the difference of the x's, x2 minus x1. And in this equation, x1 and y1 come from our point that's given. The point-slope form of a line is given by this equation here, and the formula for the slope is given here, and we can use this as a reference in the next few examples. This first example uses these 2 points, 1, 1, and 2, 3. If we're going to use point-slope form to set up the equation of this line, we have y minus y1, which is our first y coordinate, equals m times x minus x1, our first x coordinate, which is also 1. Now, you do not have to use x1 and y1. We could also use x2 and y2. It doesn't matter which point we use in this equation. Now, m we have to find, which is the slope of the line. M equals y2, which is 3, minus y1, 1, over x2, 2, minus x1, 1. And this reduces to 2 over 1, which equals 2. So our slope is 2, and we're going to fill that in for m. Y minus 1 equals 2 x minus 1. Now this is a perfectly acceptable equation for a line. Now it may not look in the form that you've seen before, y equals mx plus b, but we can easily convert it to y equals mx plus b by just doing a little rearranging. The first step would be to distribute the 2 on the right-hand side. Y minus 1 equals 2x minus 2, and then we can add the 1 to the right side. Y equals 2x minus 1, and now the equation is in y equals mx plus b form, where m is the slope, which is still 2, and b is the y-intercept, which is -1. Let's try another example with some negative numbers. So this is our x1, y1, and our x2, y2. If we set up our point-slope form, y minus y1, 5, equals m x minus x1, which is 3. We need to find m. M equals the difference of the y terms, y2 minus y1, 0 minus 5, over the difference of the x terms, -2 minus 3. And this will equal -5 over -5, which reduces to 1. So 1 becomes our slope in our equation. Y minus 5 equals 1 x minus 3. This is our equation in point-slope form, and if we'd like to convert it to y equals mx plus b form, we just need to rearrange and distribute. Y minus 5 equals, distribute the 1, x minus 3, add 5 to both sides, and our y equals x plus 2, where the slope is the same, 1. I'm going to go through one last example, but I'm going to give you two methods to calculate. We're going to have 2 points, 3, 4, and -2, -7. If we'd like to find the equation of the line connecting these 2 points, we put it in the point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. To find m, we find the slope, difference of the y's, -7 minus 4 over difference of the x's, -2 minus 3. And this reduces to -11 over -5, which equals 11 over 5. This is our slope. And in point-slope form, our equation, y minus 4 equals 11 over 5, x minus 3. If we'd like to convert this into y equals mx plus b form, distribute the right side and add the 4 over. Y minus 4 equals 11 over 5x minus 33 over 5 when you distribute. If we add the 4 to both sides and we have a common denominator, y equals 11 over 5x minus 13 over 5. This becomes our equation. These two equations are equivalent. This one is in point-slope form, and this equals slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b. Now I just wanted to show you that you could do this problem by using this point in point-slope form, and you'll still get the same answer. So we're going to try that so I can show it to you. Point-slope form, y minus y1, which we're going to use -7 this time, equals m times x minus x1, which in this case we're going to use -2. So if we rewrite this with our slope, we already found the slope to be 11 over 5, so that's going to stay the same. Y plus 7, because you have minus a negative, equals 11 over 5, x plus 2. So we want to distribute this and rearrange to see if we get the same slope-intercept form of the line. Y equals, multiply 11/5, 11 over 5x plus 22 over 5, and then we're going to subtract the 7 over to this side, but if we're going to keep the common denominator as 5 in the bottom, the numerator becomes 7 times 5, or 35. And when you do the addition of these two fractions, y equals 11 over 5x, 22 over 5 minus 35 over 5 is -13 over 5. And notice we got the exact same slope-intercept form of the line. So this point-slope version, even though it looks a little different than this one, they are in fact equivalent, and they are the equation of the same line connecting these 2 points.
Thanks for watching my video today. I hope you feel a little bit more comfortable finding the equation of a line given 2 points. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who you also think would find it helpful. Make sure you subscribe because we're posting videos every Monday and Thursday, And follow us on Twitter to stay up to date at The Fear Factor. Have a great day.